are heading to the Harley-Davidson dealership in Stafford, in Texas. The tour bus is there today with the New Year's bikes on it. The big rig. Nice. Yeah, assuming there's no parking in there. There's not even really parking here. I don't see motorcycles here.
Showing the size of the bike, I am 5'5".
Sportster S. Oh, I love the color though, the purple. Oh, nice. All right, Sportster S is going to be my bike for the first ride. I just said, you know, the small bikes, please. This one is going to be pretty forward, I can tell, because it's like, yeah, down. And no windshield. So on the freeway, I'm going to be hanging on for dear life. That is up. Okay. And we're on. Adjust those mirrors. Oh, that was completely off. That was interesting. Okay. Not used to having the mirrors in this position. That is quite different. Yeah. Okay. I am in neutral. I'm going to start it in rain mode. At least just going out of the parking lot. And oh yeah, the controls are up here. Not used to that. I feel it wanting to go already. It wants to go. Yep. Oh, where are those controls? Up there. I gotta get used to the controls being up here. I'm not used to that. Helps if I put my feet on the controls and not like I was trying to put my feet here in the air. Well, the bike fits is in the height. Nice. My feet are nice and square on the ground, which they often aren't. Nope. Where to put my feet? All right, got it. Okay, where to shift? There we go. Yeah. Right. Oh, weird. Okay, and I'm used to my quick shifter. Okay. Yeah, well, okay, it's comfortable, actually. Well, semi-comfortable. I mean, I can sit upright a little bit on it, which I didn't really think I would be able to. Yeah, it just takes me a minute to get used to everything, where everything is. Now we're going to go railroad track. All right, well, I was getting the feel of the bike position. When you sit on it, when the bike is not moving, you get the feeling like you're on your hands a lot, which would be on the shoulders a lot, which is not particularly good. Or not good for me, I should say. I always feel like I'm going to drop the bike because this is so far over the kickstand. Stay there, bike. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's more upright than I thought. How about you?
I like it so far. I'm a little shorter.
Yeah.
I don't like, I think the handlebars are too high for me.
Oh, okay.
I ride this one, and I like the throttle on this one.
Yeah, okay.
Those, it seems, it's really sensitive.
Yeah. Yeah, now where to put my feet? Where to put my feet? Up here. Well, I can fit my legs nicely on the tank, so that's a nice fit. Like, you know, this isn't too wide or feel weird or anything. Oh yeah, this bike does turn a little different. Well, I wouldn't mind riding a little yellow one. Backing up. Well, it was fine once I figured out where to put my feet. Oh, yeah. Nice. Fun. So I'm gonna try this one next. Cute little bike.
You can do the ride whenever that train moves.
Yeah. Oh, that's quite different. So the handlebars, I would have to roll them just towards me a bit, just down here. The controls on this one are more, oh yeah, wow, yeah, my legs are, yeah, these, my feet are really high up actually, which is very interesting. I didn't expect it to be, it's more where I'm used to putting my feet here, but I'm not used to, I guess, the seat being so low or this knees being so high. I'm not exactly sure what is happening. And this one, you sit back more in the seat. Don't mean to be kind of rude there, but yeah, it actually almost slides you back into that seating position. To turn, oh, this is way stiffer.
See it down here.
So I'm in neutral. Okay.
Turn the sports mode and you push this forward and you see it changes on you.
Okay, so where am I looking? Where's the sports mode?
He likes to
Oh,
start
down here.
everybody out in the rain
Right,
mode.
yeah.
And while you're riding, you just
I can
push that.
push this. Good, thank you. Okay, I got my mirrors correct on this one. Oh, I'm gonna go. Yep, high. High on the feet. So my boot doesn't fit under the. All right. Okay, so this bike has the turn signals one on either side. Instead of in the, that's why I honked the horn earlier. I honked the horn thinking it was the, where to put my feet down without hitting the peg would be helpful. The brake and the clutch are really stiff, especially this clutch. There's no way, I don't think I could hold this in with 2 fingers. And yep, my boot does not fit under the. That's pretty funny. Yeah, not saying it. I gotta sit far enough forward to get my boot into that, because when I'm sitting back in the seat, I can't do it. Yeah, I gotta sit up on the tank basically to shift. I think I would need a heel shifter. That'd be totally fine. This throttles, it goes. Yeah, shifting is an issue. You need those thin city boots. Those basically shoes. And then I can shift. I can shift down, no problem. Yeah, so I would need to just roll the handlebars this way a bit, so I'm not leaning way forward. Although it does help me sit up in the tank to shift. And it does make me slide back. It does have a nice hold behind the butt to hold me in place. On the freeway, I'm not going to fly off the back of the bike. I don't know how I'm going to be able to pull forward on the freeway to shift. Nice sound, sitting relaxed. I feel like my left foot should be in further, but no, it's hitting the bar, so it can't go in further. The gentlemen running this ride are very nice. They're making sure everybody knows the controls, everyone's comfortable, everyone's riding where they want to ride. That's really appreciated. It does tell me what gear I'm in, which is nice, because I do often look at that. Good point, the riding positions vary quite a bit. The riding position from this, which is upright, except I'm leaning forward, but that's because it didn't adjust the handlebars, is pretty comfortable, and it does hit the back of my butt to keep me in place. It does that really nicely. The last bike, my girl parts were smushed right up against the seat. So, which is not okay, especially over a long distance. Doing that in a long distance, being smushed up like that, I don't know how guys deal with that, but yeah, for girls, it's not a healthy thing to do. Okay, see, now I can't get my foot in there to gear up. I can hear and feel it when it gears up, which is true to Harley. There's no confusion, which is very nice. Where's my speedometer? Up there. Yeah, I'm used to the digital speedometer now. Oh, I can't get my foot in there. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Yeah, if there's a heel shifter on this, that would be fine. Solve the problem. Or if my feet are smaller. To me, I'm more used to where to put my feet on this bike. It's a little bit more under me than the other one was more forward for sure. Yeah, so once you're going on this bike, it's nice. I I can kind of, you know, sit up, put my weight on my butt, not on my hands. Yeah, this clutch is very tight. Pikachu's out playing today. Say hi to the friendly neighborhood Pikachu. Pretty funny. Yeah, this bike to me has got an old school feeling of the sitting position and this bar in the back. I don't know what that bar is called. Actually, so far not bad, considering there's no windscreen. Actually, not bad at all, considering there's no windscreen. That's actually really shocking. I don't mean that in a bad way, sorry. I just mean like in general. Yeah, this is pretty comfortable actually for a freeway because this seat is holding my butt in place. Yeah, the engine can definitely go. Because I'm, you know, barely using my throttle here. Hell yeah, it's pretty good. Usually this speed I would be kind of hanging on for dear life, that kind of feeling without a windscreen. And yeah, not feeling that. I think the seat really helps out a lot. Oh, that was fun. Cute helmet. Oh, dude.
The next bike I will be riding is the Low Rider S, the heaviest of the 3 bikes.
And we got the turn signals again, like this, 1 and 1. The other one in sport mode was a little bit jerky, so I actually put it back out of sport mode. And I put it on road mode, and then I put it in rain mode, just coming in here because I know it's going slow. Going slow is a whole different thing. I don't want to be jerking. I want to be smooth. So my feet are up again on this one. Okay, yeah, this is high up. This clutch is way better, that's for sure. They've got 2 lanes, nice. Oh, and my foot fits. I can shift on this one. Very interesting, the slight differences in the bikes. I am trying all the lighter bikes and the shorter ones. I don't think there's any here except the Pan America that are really tall. Yeah, those bags on that bike look like they're just gonna flip off on that blue bike. Yeah, so my foot here, this is interesting, my toe actually hits the shifter on this one, so I can't put my foot forward without hitting the shifter. This also holds my butt in place, which is nice. I still am leaning a bit in this, like I'm still reaching, I'm just short. Not a huge deal, but not sitting upright. Like, for example, the guys in front of me are sitting upright. But my weight is on my bum, it's not on my hands. So that's fine. 0 weight on my hands. So let's try it in road mode. This Street Bob, I found the throttle just a little bit more sensitive, I guess would be the correct word. Yeah, so the Street Bob, like even on this road, I really didn't like it in road mode because it's touch sensitive. This one's totally fine, not like that at all. Yep, this one goes. No problem with that. They all do. Gotta say, they all have very good response. And you go quickly. Okay, now when I put my feet down, I gotta remember to put them out because these foot pegs are wider than my Triumph ones. There we go. Yeah, not hit the foot pegs on the way down. Yeah, so these handlebars can be rolled forward a bit. I don't know at the right spot. Yeah, where to put my feet. I do still have to bring myself forward to shift. Not like the other bike where my foot just didn't fit in the thing. It's not that. It's just to reach correctly. Yeah, I do. I kind of do it a little bit without really realizing I'm doing it because I'm so used to moving around in the seat so much. It's because I am short and I don't fit on things. But let me make sure I have my turn signal on and not honk the horn. And this person's gonna let us in. Thank you. And I could probably shift down, but that's okay. We're getting there. Yeah, am I in sport? Yes, I am. Okay. Yeah, I am, again, not feeling like I'm getting pushed back in the seat at all, which is really surprising. I mean, I do have this little baby fairing, but yeah, no windscreen and yeah, not feeling the wind. Cool. And the seat is holding my butt in place, so that helps. But yeah, I'm not really feeling it on my body or my hands. All right, and I'm going to put it back out of sport mode to go on the road. Because we're going to be going slow in a minute in the parking lot. Yeah, well, this is the one that I think fits me best, although the last one is kind of fun. The last one reminds me of kind of like a beach bike, like a hippie bike. This one to me is probably more touring, whatever. The last one is just more hippie, having fun, goofing off. But the last one I couldn't shift. Kind of an issue. Just a slight issue. That was fun. Yeah, it is interesting. I mean, my bike definitely fits me better than those. My bike is lighter. My bike is more agile for sure. And the clutch is lighter. Yep, ready. A better body position for me, this bike. But then I have adjusted some things on it. Like I do have the risers to bring it forward towards me. And I do have these on the shorter distance, so I'm not grabbing too much, and neither of them are stiff. All that little stuff that makes a difference. The hand, I'm not sure what these are called, hand levers, whatever, on the Harleys are definitely bigger than my bike. Meant for bigger hands. So for me, personally, the Triumph ones fit better.
Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.